I will take from my stock 3 transformers. Then I will rewind them for our radio, according to the sketch linked below. Where did I get my stock from? I extracted them from old radio cassette scraps. Okay, this is our radio at the project board. An AM transistor superheterodyne radio. The radio signal is populated at this coil, L1. You can see at the diagram, with the help of VC2 at the variable capacitor, to select the RF amplitude suitable and then inducted at L2. This is L2 at this part. I will show you later on how can you wind suitable one. Antenna coil. After that, it fed into local oscillator composing of a Q1 here, VC1 at the variable capacitor, we will see later on, you can refer back to the diagram, and T1 AM oscillator to generate sine wave of 455 kilohertz higher than the selected radio wave. Q1 mixes the generated signal wave with the inducted signal from L2 to form what is called intermediate frequency, IF. Nothing happened to the radio wave. It is still there, only mix it with some local generated wave. The outcome is a frequency that we can manipulate. Now this IF will be fed into T2, which is tuned to 455 kilohertz, therefore allowing 455 kilohertz, filtering others from allowing only these frequencies and filtering others. After that, it goes to the amplification, and in order to get suitable and enough gain, there are two stages amplification, the Q2 and Q3. The first IF amplification is done by Q2, and the second amplification is done by Q3, and then goes to the detection stage. Here we have to talk about the ceramic filter also. Here it is tuned to 455 kilohertz for additional filtering. At the detection stage, this germanium diode 1N60P is only allowing the radio audible waves, RF waves, and rejecting the others. Part of the signal also goes through C5 and R11 here for step down, then to base of Q2. It goes back to base of Q2 through here to minimize the amplification, and the opposite also happened when the signal is weak. This is called automatic gain control, and it helps when the broadcast is weak, because otherwise you will have to raise or minimize volume each time the station is weak or strong. Finally, it goes to the audio power amplifier through the conjunction of R6, C6 and R11. Of course, the amplification will need also to be connected to the negative pole. So let's just only connect it and test it.
في المال والأعمال أكدت المملكة التزامها مقررات اتفاقية باريس التاريخية للتغيير المناخي التي صادقت عليها الدول الأعضاء العام المنصرم، وذلك من خلال مشاركتها الفاعلة في تطوير برنامج نظم وسياسات العمل بالاتفاقية فعاليات مؤتمر أطراف اتفاقية الأمم المتحدة الإطارية بشأن تغيير المناخ في دورته 23 المنعقدة حاليا في مدينة بون في القيادية لتدخل في التصنيف. شملت 8 معايير رئيسية، وهي الأداء المالي والإدارة المستثمرين والمخاطرة والمرونة والامتثال القانوني والابتكار والنسق.